My name is Astrid and this is my studio, Astrid's Art Studio. So today I'm going to try something new and it's an ocean wave. And I've seen other artists do it and I'm very excited to do it myself. And so I've got my colors here, lots of blues and a little bit of green because, you know, as the light goes through the water, sometimes it has a little bit of a greenish tint. So I'm hoping to capture that in there as well. So, all right, let's get started. So I have lots of different blues in this painting. I'll list them down below, the full list like I always do of all the materials that I use. I just want to put a plug in for, I like to do things with pouring medium. I know some artists mix paint and water, but then you know, I don't feel comfortable with that. I would rather just use pouring medium, you know, so everybody has their own personal preferences, and I like to have my paintings be archival quality, just to be sure, you know, so I don't use any water for that reason. So anyway, so you might notice that I have painted the sides. That's something new. When it's dark, you're trying to get a dark background all the way down the sides, it's best to, you know, do like a layer first, and then it turns out better that way. So, all right, let's put down some paint, okay? I'm gonna put the white base layer down first, blow that out. So the wave is gonna go like this, and so this part right here is gonna be white. Okay, great. So I'm just gonna get the white to go down the sides. This mixture seems to be a little thicker. I added a little bit more white because my last painting seemed a little thin. Jeez. Anyway, constant balance, right? Just like in life. Gotta balance everything out. Okay, so I'm just gonna start putting down my combination of blues. Okay, let's see. I have this one. I have the most of. How did I want to do this? Oh yeah, okay, so whoops. I'm off to a good start. Well, you know, okay, so that's okay. We'll just put more blue down. Hoping all these different shades of blue will turn out. You know, because ocean water is lots of different colors. And I have this really cool, I don't know if you could see it, really cool, it's Antique Gold by Winsor & Newton. I'm trying Winsor & Newton for the first time today, and you know, sometimes, I don't know if you've ever gotten tumbled by waves, but you get a little sand in your, sand in lots of different places, and so I'm putting this in here for the sand effect. Put this towards the bottom and maybe a little bit here. Oh, that's a pretty aqua color. I love that color. Then I had some leftover paint, which is actually a green, but mixed with a pouring medium. It's pretty light. So I thought, oh, that's a cool shade too. So I'll just add that in there. Yeah, a little bit of contrast. Here we go. Oh, there it is. Here's the indigo. I love indigo. It's so dark. That's what I have all around on the edges. Okay, a little bit here. Come on. Oh yeah, and the green. This I'm gonna go light on because I want it to mix with the phthalo blue. I don't want, you know, to be like a whole green glob. That wouldn't look very fun now, would it? There we go. And I think I'm actually losing track of my colors. Oh, that's bad. Well, you know. It all gets on there eventually, right? It's all good. Okay. So that's a pretty blue. I want some here. Oh, this is looking really cool. Wow, it's a little thick. Okay. Okay, so now, oh, can't forget my favorite color, lime green. Oh, this is so pretty. So pretty. Oops. Okay, good. So now, just want to get this corner up here, so I'm just going to put some more blue, just so I have enough, you know, paint to blow around. A lot of times I just mix way too much paint and then I have all this leftover paint and I'm like, what do I do with this leftover paint now? You know? Now it's like, oh no, I'm not sure I have enough. So we might have to get creative and yeah, wow. Actually, I think this will be enough. Let me just make sure I get it all down on the canvas though. This is actually a wooden panel. I like using wooden panels. It's a nice firm surface to do this type of art on, this fluid art, you know, and I just like the feel of it. It's very, I have them hanging behind me too, and it's really easy to hang and do stuff with, you know, so there we go. Oh my gosh, I think I do actually have enough paint. You know? Okay. Yes. Wow, this is so colorful. I love it. Okay, good. Yay, I used up all my paint. That's fantastic. All right, so I'm gonna put the white down, and then I'm also gonna drizzle white in through here so that, you know, I can get the wave effect. There we go. And then I need more along here. Okay, I'm just gonna move it around with my finger. A little delicate operation here. That looks cool. Oh, I love it. How fun is that? This is my first wave. All right, cool. So, I'm gonna blow it out now. First, I want to kind of admire it for a minute. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, here we go. Wow, interesting. Oh, I like that. That is so cool. Well, it's definitely a different kind of wave. I'm gonna blow it out with you just using my breath to tweak it a little bit. Oh, there we go. That looks cool. I need to work on this a little bit more. Kind of blew it off the canvas a little bit. Okay, so I like this. That's cool, and that part's cool. Let me see if I can do a little more with that. All right, cool. Let me see if I can do a little bit more. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna get paint all over. All right, I've never done this before, but I'm actually going to get rid of this part right here. Yep. And here. There. Oops. Let's put a little more white down. Helps if I don't rip it. There, that's better. There, that cleans it up a little bit. And let me just, oh my gosh. Yeah, there we go. Okay, good. Wow, that is really cool. I love this turquoise here and the white and just the edges. It just looks really splashy. I kind of lost my sand effect. That disappeared. I don't know where that went, but maybe that'll pop up after it's dry. And yeah, awesome. Not bad for my first wave, right? So let me know what you think in the comments below. I'd love to hear back from you and any suggestions. I'm gonna keep tweaking it a little bit and then I'll show it to you when it's dry, all right? And if you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe down below. I'll see you soon. Bye. Okay, I'm the most impatient person sometimes. Anyway, here's a sneak peek. It's still drying. Let me see if I can, there, that's the overall view, and then get some close-ups. As you can see, sorry about the glare. I played with it a little bit, and you can see the green and the blue mixture. I love the little details in this corner right there, and all along here. And then up here, Got a little bit of that antique gold up in that corner. There we go. And then the wave. I love that. It's so delicate. Okay, there you have it. That is my first ocean wave. It's drying. So excited. I can't wait to see what it looks like when it's dry, but there you have it. So hope you enjoyed my painting, and I'd love to hear what you think about it in the comments below. And you will see another painting very soon. I'm actually adjusting my schedule so that I will actually have time to wait for the paint to dry. That sounds like a personal problem. Anyway, oh my gosh. Anyway, sorry. Oh gosh, I cracked myself up. So yes, so you too will see a dried painting. Okay, so I upload a video every Sunday night, and I look forward to hearing from you. Talk to you soon. Bye.